Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jill and I enjoy sharing different beauties, tips, tricks, and more. And today is one of my favorite type of videos because I get to preview all the new products that just came out with Mary Kay. So I'm going to share them with you today and I'm so excited because there's lots of great products. We also have our brand new lookbook and this is going to feature all the new price changes in it for the current term. And another thing that I really like about it is it has this section inside that really gives you more of an explanation about all the different ingredients and stuff that are in our products. So it's very informative. And then of course it's a brief look through for all the new products that we are offering. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started on that. You can find this catalog virtually on my website, or you can reach out to me and I'd be happy to either drop one off or send one to you. Just let me know which you prefer. So the first thing I'm going to show you, you might be already familiar with our Skinvigorate system, the Sonic system. This is just the box, but I did bring mine out to show you how that works. It's a gentle cleansing, and I will do another video that will really go into more detail about that. But the reason I'm featuring this is not a new product for spring, but the fun thing about this, if you buy this right now, we are offering a promotion, and I like to unbox things in these videos, so I'm going to go ahead and bring it out with you guys right here. They are offering a free stand with your purchase of the Sonic brush. Let me just take that out for you. And this is so nice because one, it's plastic, it's easy to clean and wash, and you just set it right in there and then you don't have to lay it down on your countertop and you can keep everything dry up here. We do have interchangeable brushes. That's what you see this spot here for. Also a massager that can fit in there. So like I said, I will do another video and go in more detail about how this brush works, but this is the free gift for spring if you purchase the Sonic brush. So it's definitely something that I wanted to mention. The other thing that is exciting to me, especially for travel, is I'm going to unbox it. We have the mini mask. And you guys, this is so perfect for when you go away to put in your travel bags. They are the perfect size. So you're going to get two. You're going to get one of my favorite masks, the Clear Proof. There we go again with the bloopers. The Clear Proof mask with charcoal. So this is one of my favorites. It's going to really deep clean and get all the impurities out of your skin. And then we have the Moisture Renewing Gel Mask, which puts moisture back into your skin. So you can actually mask with the two of these together. And they also make a really great gift. If you have kids in college or just tweens that are starting out and all, these are the perfect size for them to try out and see how they like them. And like I said, they're perfect for travel. So I wanted to share those with you guys there. One of our new spring product releases. The next thing we have that is always fun is our hand cream minis, and they come in this fun little box. Also make really nice gifts. So I'm just going to open the top here and show you which ones that we have. As you see, there's 3 inside the box. And the first one we have is a peach gardenia. Smells amazing. And then we also have the citrus fields. And citrus always puts me in a good mood. I love the scent of citrus. And then the third one is the pink freesia. So you could give this as a gift, or you could give them out separately as a gift, or you can just throw them in your car, in your handbag, put them next to your sinks when you wash your hands, super moisturizing, and they're just the perfect size. So put them back together. This unboxing is so much fun. So there's another one. So the other thing we're going to talk about, oh, and I wanted to mention along with the mask, we do offer a masking brush, or not really a brush, but as you see, it's flat silicone on the top, and that really helps just get the mask in where you need it all around your face, and then you don't have to get your hands all messed up if you don't want to. But either way works just fine. I just wanted to point that out as well. Now we have 2 new clinical solution boosters to talk about. This one is the C line reducing one. And this will be in addition to what you're using with your current products. I'm going to do a separate video on these to explain a little bit more how to use them, what they're for, what they're targeted on, and so forth, because they deserve a video all by themselves. But I did want to let you know that they have released. So put those back in the box there. And then we also have the Hydrator Ceramide Cream. And they look similar, but of course different color labels on them so you don't get them confused. And that will be in a future video. And I'll also feature some of our skincare products along with that so you have a better understanding of how they all work together. So now the good and bad news and the fun part. So if you were a fan of the True Dimensions lipstick, I featured this before in a couple of my looks. These are the ones where you push the top and then just pull it from the bottom. Super hydrating, great lipsticks. They have been updated and replaced. So if you love a hydrating lipstick, you're gonna love the new line even more. And today I'm excited because I'm going to unbox each one and show you the colors. And these are called Supreme Hydrating Lipsticks. Like I said, they replaced the True Dimension and these run for $18 a piece. So this color is the Casual Rose. I'll show you the size of them there. And then I will briefly show you the color. Absolutely gorgeous. And you know it's coming after this. I am going to dedicate a video to doing each one of these on my lips and also swatching my arms so that you guys can get a really good feel for how it looks on my skin tone. And then this one, oh, I didn't read the color. This one is Boho Plum. Also another gorgeous color, and I cannot wait to try these and share these all with you guys. So beautiful, can't go wrong, and it's so exciting to get new colors to try. This one is Fuchsia Dream. Look how pretty that is. And remember, if something seems like it's a little bright for you, don't be discouraged, because with our lip glosses, it helps to tone it down and add a little sparkle to it. So you'll get to see what all these look like, and I'm fairly pale. So if you have a similar collection, you'll have a good idea of what that will look like on you as well. Ah, Rockstar Red. Because everybody needs to have a little bit of red in their life. And this will jazz up any look that you're going out for. Love a good red lipstick. So once I demo all of them, I'll go back and do different makeup looks with them as well. And our next one is Festive Pink. And that's another beautiful color. That would look really pretty with some lip gloss laid over top as well. So we're gonna have fun doing that video. I'll have lots of different looks we can look at with those. This one is Better Than Bare. If you don't like the really bold colors, we have something for everyone. And your lips are absolutely gonna love you because, as I said, these are super hydrating. Poetic Pink is our next one. Gorgeous colors. Kind of close to my nail polish there. And then the last new one is called Coral Confetti. So I know a lot of people like the coral and the True Dimension ones, so don't worry about that. They did create another pretty coral color. So no worries there. So there you have it. That is all the new products that we have coming out for spring. Like I said, I will definitely swatch the lipsticks and show you guys all those in a different video. I'm gonna go ahead and talk about the skin boosters in a different video. And then I will demonstrate the Skintronic electric, yeah, this. I will do a demonstration for you because my brain just totally forgot what I was talking about. And let you see how this works along with the skincare routine at night. And then don't forget, it has the new fabulous stand. It is free when you purchase this for a limited time. And also while supplies last. So if you have any questions at all, feel free to comment below or reach out to me. If you visit my website, you can also send me an email through there and I'd be more than happy to help you. Like I said, our digital catalog is available on my website, so you can see all the new products, the prices, get some more information on each one, and I'm happy to help you as well. So thank you so much for joining me today. It's always a pleasure to have you here. And if you enjoy this, please click like and subscribe. I'd love to have you come back and follow my channel, and I hope you all have an amazing day.